Buck supposedly fixed this 30-06 Garand, and he's test firing it. So we'll see if it works. Guy brought it in, said it wasn't working. Damn, that thing's loud. Cycle?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I see the round.
See that red dot?
Oh, did you hit that red dot?
I hit that red dot.
Oh, bullshit. That was already there.
Oh, negatory, mother.
Buck's just bragging. This is the iPhone 11. So for, if it's clearer, that's why I don't know if the language was louder. Ching! Well, whatever you did, Buck, I guess you fixed it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna shoot it again, or are you good with one? Yeah, I mean, if ejected, yeah. All right, I don't even know what the hell. Huh?
I'll put that back together. That's an 8-round M-block clip. I'm putting the empty back in there so it'll stay together for the owner. But took it apart, checked the headspace, lubricated it, and
Cleaned off some carbon on the gas block, or
on the gas piston and on the operating rod and on the gas plug.
Right.
They're both stainless steel. But I put some
oh, here it is, super lube. Yeah.
super lube. It's good stuff. And it helps keep it's clear, kind of like Vaseline, and it helps provide lubrication on the inside of the operating rod channel.
And he said it wasn't ejecting, or it wasn't cycling, or
He wasn't sure. He
Oh.
hasn't fired it in a while. He said there was something wrong with it. He
Okay.
said, okay. And I said, probably. And I said, other pit said bone dry was one thing. So that's what
they didn't have oil back in the olden days, did they, Buck?
No, they did not until they found it in 1898 at Middletop. They didn't have any oil. So unless they could get sperm oil whales, or sperm whale oil,
Right.
which had to go a long ways, particularly if you live in Kansas. I found in my travels there are very few sperm whales in Kansas or even in Nebraska.
All right, well, that's fixed.
Well,
Buck
that's-
working on a 30-06 M1 Garand.
Yep.
Nice gun.
Yep.
All right, well, in that there, just checking in with Buckster.